Hi, I'm Heather Ross, and my book, Engineer Celebrity, is now a #1 bestseller thanks to elite online publishing. Getting a book published involves a lot of work as there's a lot of elements in the process, and each element has to be done properly and with expertise. Melanie and Jennifer got everything done as they are superb project managers and leaders in taking care of it all. They were there for me every step of the way, and they described to me the whole process, and they made it smooth and easy for me. For the items that I had to do on my own, such as getting in front of a video camera to promote the book, I was given the guidance and encouragement on how to get this done. Getting my book published was truly a great and fun experience. Thank you both.